on, guys? Look, I have an amazing video for you today. Today we are going to talk about this one quality that makes you an amazing trader, right? It's something that you kind of carry with you just as a person, right? It's not something that becomes present the moment that you step onto the charts, right? It doesn't just kick into gear. This is a way of life. This is a way of thinking, right? It's being in opposition, not just for the sake of being in opposition, right? Not just for the sake of like wanting to be different, but because you understand how this world works, right? Being a contrarian is just simply questioning things that people for some reason just seem to go with and believe without doing any sort of research, without checking in with themselves to see if it resonates with their spirit at all. Sometimes we just say, okay, that sounds okay, good, I'm gonna go with that. That's called groupthink. Groupthink is a method that controls the masses, right? A really good way that the powers that be have gotten us all to groupthink is by mass media. All right, how does this tie into trading? A lot of times we are looking at the news and we're looking at people on Wall Street and we're reading, just different articles that come out about companies, and we're like, okay, they're saying good things about this company. All right, I'll buy this company. We have no idea about the technicals or anything contributing to that. They say, oh, this is a good idea. I should get into this. And an analyst said that this is the price target, right? If every time an analyst said that a price target was a certain place and that's exactly what happened, we'd all be rich as shit. But that's not the case, right? Why are they constantly feeding us information about companies in the media? Well, here's my opinion. I believe it's to have an overall perspective for that particular stock, but what it leads to is a vast majority of people making the wrong decision. So what? A small percentage of people can really make the money, right? It's about being in opposition. Warren Buffett always said this. You want to be fearful when people are greedy, and you want to be greedy when people are fearful. So if the media is saying one thing, you might want to slow down for a second and do your research. Be a contrarian, right? One example, Palantir is a play that I've been pumping in your face. I've been giving you the free play levels all on my Instagram, all on my TikTok. I've been like, get in the Palantir, right? And I actually, received some pushback because people were like, oh, well, this Wall Street analyst said that the price target is, it's like $90, and another analyst like downgraded it. And I'm like, okay, well, that makes a lot of sense. I hear you, but what if there was a pump coming because we had a nice reverse head and shoulders on the technicals and we had a killer earnings on the way? A bull flag was also broken out on a lower time frame, right? All of this is pointing to the fact that Palantir actually could go to 120 or somewhere near there. I'm saying this when it's like in the 60s and 70s. We sit at like, 114 now in Palantir? Had I listened to people that were talking about the price targets and what Wall Street is saying, like they're going to give us the best information just here, then I wouldn't have been able to make $12,000 while I was taking my mom to get her cataracts fixed. Right? You have to be a contrarian. Carry this with you in life. Practice it sometimes. Whenever you see a group of people just for no reason agreeing, don't be the lazy one. Be the one that takes a little bit of time and is just like, if you agree, you agree. That's different. But if you don't agree because something just feels a little off, like follow that. I'm telling you, it's always going to lead you to the right place. In the financial world, it's going to lead you to profits, okay? Be a contrarian, like, subscribe, and share. Look, we got the best trading group on the planet. It's called the Prosperity Collective. If you're not in it, I don't know what's going on. I've been in different groups. I've monitored. I've gone and seen what people are doing, and ain't nobody doing it like us. There's nobody doing it as consistently as us, and at the price, $40. You're not going to find that. You're going to get a lot more than you bargained for. The link is in the description. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.